Wow.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. I still killed all your items.
Howdy, Death Pact again. Hey, you guys look kinda tense. How about a little, cake at stake to lighten the mood?
I hate cake!
Last episode, Death Pact again made a grievous error, so they were put up for elimination.
An error?
Yeah. Anyway, the voters have voted, and now we'll find out which of you will be the first to leave. The power of... We got 59,817 votes. That's the most ever! I see. Well, then... We've got a regular cake this time!
Yes, regular cake, my favorite.
If I give you cake, you're safe. But if not, well, you'll be the first one out of the game, I'm afraid. Let's begin. Black Hole, you got the most votes at 14,403. Congratulations!
Wait, I'm eliminated? Just like that?
Ta-da! They voted to save you, Black Hole. That means you're safe.
Oh, okay. What? Since when was it like that?
You know, since last episode? Can I continue, please?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, no worries. Now, let's see. What was I gonna say?
The next person safe?
Yes, thank you. Remote is the next one safe at 13,700 votes. Nice catch. Okay, moving on. Lightning got 7,814 votes, so he's safe.
This has been a great day.
Tree is also safe with 6,937 votes.
Want mine? Okay.
Next is Fanny with 6,733 votes.
I hate cake!
Don't worry, Cake. She just meant the food.
I know.
What?
It's down to Marker and Pie, the final two.
No!
Oh, wow.
Aw, it's no fun if you aren't scared with me.
Sounds like a you problem.
Push now, it's time to see the results. Congratulations, Marker, you're the last one safe.
Smells clean.
Well.
So, are you ready to go?
I was just waiting on you.
Well, alrighty then. Let me just, Here, watch closely. Ta-da!
Whoa, that's crazy.
With Pie gone, we're down to the final 41.